Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Saya Muhammad Ashraf. Jadi hari ini saya akan membentangkan chapter 6.2 How do supply chain management system coordinate planning, production and logistics with suppliers. So, what is supply chain? Supply chain is a network of organizations and business process for procuring raw materials, transforming these materials into intermediate and finished products, and distributing the finished products to customers. The upstream portion of the supply chain include the organization's suppliers and the process for managing relationship with them. The downstream portion consists of the organizations and process for distributing and delivering products to the final customer. So as we can see here, the upstream portion include the supply chain from the supplier to the organization, and the downstream is from the distribution to the customers. Inefficiency in the supply chain, such as part shortage, underutilized plant capacity, excessive inventory or runaway transportation costs are caused by inaccurate or untimely information and can waste as much as 35% of operating costs. One recurring problem in supply chain management is the bullwhip effect, in which information about the demand of a product gets distorted as it passes from one entity to the next across the supply chain. If a manufacturer had perfect information about exactly how many units of product customers wanted, when they wanted them, and when they could be produced, it would be possible to implement a highly efficient just-in-time strategy. In the supply chain management software, we have two supply chain, which is planning system, a system which enables the firm to generate demand, forecast for a product, develop sourcing and manufacturing plans for that product, make adjustment to production and distribution plans, and share that information with relevant supply chain members. One of the important supply chain planning function is demand planning, which determines how much product a business needs to make to satisfy all of its customers' demands. And second, we have execution system, a system that manages the flow of products through distribution center and warehouse to ensure that products are delivered to the right locations in the most efficient manner. So, today, using intranet and extranets, all members of the supply chain can instantly communicate with each other, using up-to-date information to adjust purchasing, logistics, manufacturing, packaging, and schedules. This make sure that the supply chain can go for the global supply chain. The internet provides a standard set of tools that are used by companies all over the world to coordinate global supply chains that include participants from many countries. So for the global supply chain, we have two models, which is push-based model and pull-based model, which is production master schedules are based on forecast or best guess of demand for products, and products are pushed to customers. Pull-based model, also known as a demand-driven or built-to-order model, actual customer order or purchase trigger event in the supply chain. So as we can see here in the model for the push-based model and pull-based model. So that's all for me. Thank you.